My name is Anna. I am 10 years old. I live with my family in a small, cozy house. We have a soft cat named Momo and a playful dog named Max. I love them so much. I went to the supermarket 3 times alone before. I bought milk, bread, apples, chicken, and many other things. I met Tom, my new friend. We talked about our pets and laughed a lot. My mother was proud of me. She said I am a great helper. Today, she asks me to go again. I feel very excited. Anna, you are my best helper, my mother says. She is in the living room. She folds clothes. The clothes are soft and colourful. Red shirts, blue pants, and white socks. She looks at me and smiles. The supermarket might be busy again. People buy a lot on Fridays. Can you go for me, Anna? Yes, Mum, I want to go, I say. I smile big. I love helping my family. I feel strong and brave. The supermarket is fun. I like the bright lights, the food and the people. I want to do a good job. My mother gives me a new shopping list. I hold the paper in my hands. I read it slowly and carefully. The list is long, but I am ready. I did this before. I can do it again. Here is the list. Grape juice, 1 bottle. Crackers, 2 boxes. Butter, 1 pack. Blueberries, 1 box. Pears, 5 pieces. Chicken, 1 kilogram. Rice, 2 bags. Ketchup, 1 bottle. Pepper, 1 small bag. Cooking oil, 1 bottle. Flour, 1 bag. Toothbrush, 1 piece. Toilet paper, 4 rolls. Oranges, 4 pieces. Milk, 2 bottles. Bread, 1 loaf. Be careful, Anna, my mother says. She gives me the blue wallet. It has money inside. Count the money when you pay. Walk on the sidewalk. Look left and right before you cross the street. You know Sunny Market, right? Yes, Mum, I know, Mum, I reply. I put the wallet in my green bag. My bag is small and light. I take the list and my pencil. I draw little boxes next to each item. I will check them when I find the things. I put on my red shoes. They are fast and comfortable. I wear my blue jacket. It is warm and soft. I look in the mirror. I am ready. Bye, Mum. Bye, Momo. Bye, Max, I call. Momo sits on the table. She looks at me with big round eyes. Max wags his tail and barks. He jumps a little. They are happy for me. I wave to them and open the door. Outside, the sun is bright. The sky is blue and clear. The wind blows gently. I walk on the sidewalk. I see green trees and pretty flowers. The flowers are pink, white and yellow. They smell sweet and nice. A bird sings in a tree. I hear a car go by. A boy rides a bike. I smile at him. He smiles back. A lady walks her dog. The dog is small and white. I wave to her. She waves too. I feel happy. The walk is short.
In 5 minutes, I see the big sign, Sunny Market. It is red and yellow. The glass doors open for me. I walk inside. The supermarket is busy. People push big carts full of food. Some carry baskets. Kids laugh and run around. I hear voices, shouts, and beeps from the cashiers. I take a red basket. It is plastic and light. I hold it with one hand. I look at my list. First, I need grape juice. I walk to the juice section. I see many bottles. Grape juice, apple juice, and orange juice. The list says 1 bottle. I pick a big bottle of grape juice. It is cold and heavy. I like grape juice. My sister drinks it every day. I put it in my basket carefully. I don't want it to spill. I check the box for grape juice. Next, I need crackers. I go to the snack section. There are so many boxes. Some are salty crackers. Some are cheese crackers. The list says 2 boxes. I pick 2 boxes of salty crackers. They have a picture of salt. I love crackers for a snack. My brother eats them fast. I put the boxes in my basket. I check the box. Next, I look for butter. I go to the dairy section. It is cold here. I see butter, cheese, and yogurt. The list says 1 pack. I pick a pack of butter. It is yellow and hard. We use butter for bread. My mum cooks with it too. I like butter on toast. I put the pack in my basket. I check the box. Next, I need blueberries. I walk to the fruit section. It is colourful and smells good. I see blueberries, strawberries, and pears. The list says 1 box. I pick a box of blueberries. They are blue and small. I smell them. They smell sweet and fresh. I love blueberries. I put the box in my basket carefully. I check the box. I look for pears now. I see green pears and yellow pears. The list says 5 pieces. I pick 5 green pears. They look fresh and firm. My dad likes pears. I do too. I hold one. It feels good. I put them in a plastic bag and into my basket. I check the box. My basket is heavier now. I go to the meat section. I need chicken. The list says 1 kilogram. I see chicken, beef, and fish. I find a pack of chicken that says 1 kilogram. It looks fresh and pink. My mum will cook chicken for dinner. I love chicken with rice. I put the pack in my basket. I check the box. Next, I look for rice. I go to the rice section. There are big bags and small bags. The list says 2 bags. I pick 2 bags of rice. Each bag is 1 kilogram. They are heavy. We eat rice with meat and vegetables. I like rice a lot. I hold the bags carefully. I put them in my basket. I check the box. Next, I look for milk. I go to the dairy section. It is cold.
I see many bottles of milk. The list says 2 bottles. I pick 2 big bottles. They are heavy. We drink milk every day. My dad puts milk in coffee. I like milk with cereal. I put them in my basket carefully. I check the box. Finally, I need bread. I go to the bakery section. It smells so good. I smell bread, cakes and cookies. I see white bread, brown bread and rolls. The list says 1 loaf. I pick a loaf of white bread. It is soft and fresh. I touch it gently. We eat bread for breakfast. I put it in my basket. I check the box. I look at my list. All the boxes are checked. I have everything. My basket is very heavy. I hold it with 2 hands. I feel strong and happy. I walk to the cashier. The line is long. I see adults, kids and old people. Some have big carts. Some have baskets. I stand and wait. I am patient. While I wait, I see Tom. He wears a blue shirt today. He holds a small basket. He waves to me. "Hi, Anna," he says. His voice is happy and loud. "Hi, Tom," I say. I wave back. I am glad to see my friend. What do you buy today? I buy bread, juice and eggs, Tom says. He shows me his basket. What do you buy, Anna? I have a long list, I say. I show him my basket. Grape juice, crackers, chicken and more. The supermarket is busy. Yes, it is, Tom says. You are good at shopping, Anna. Do you like it? Yes, I love shopping, I say. Do you? Yes, it's fun, Tom says. My dog Buddy waits for me. Does your dog wait? Yes, Max waits. My cat Momo waits too, I say. We laugh. Tom tells me Buddy runs fast. I tell him Max chases his tail. We talk and smile. I like Tom. He is kind. Suddenly, I hear music. Loud music plays in the supermarket. A man with a microphone speaks. "Welcome to Sunny Market," he says. "Today we have a surprise. One lucky shopper wins a big prize. A basket of candy and toys." "Wow, a prize," I say. My eyes are big. Candy and toys sound fun. Yes, Tom says. I like candy. Do you? Yes, I love candy, I say. We laugh. The man speaks again. We pick a name now. He pulls a paper from a box. The winner is Anna. Me? I say. My heart beats fast. I am surprised. Tom claps his hands. "Anna, you win," he says. He smiles big. I walk to the man. He smiles at me. "Congratulations, Anna, you win," he says. He gives me a big basket. It has candy, chocolates, and a small toy car. I see lollipops, gummy bears, and a red car. I am so happy. The candy looks sweet. The toy car is shiny. "Thank you," I say. I hold the basket. It is heavy but fun. I wave to Tom.
He waves back. Good job, Anna, he says. I go back to the line. It is my turn at the cashier. The lady smiles. Hello, little girl, you won a prize, she says. She has short hair and a kind face. Yes, I am surprised, I say. I put my basket on the counter. She scans each item. Beep, beep, beep. I watch the screen. The numbers go up. I count in my head. Your total is $55, she says. I open my wallet. I count the money slowly. I have $60. I give her $60. She gives me $5 back. Here is your change, she says. Thank you, I say. I put the change in my wallet. She puts my things in 3 big bags. They are heavy. I hold 2 bags, 1 in each hand. I carry my prize basket too. I put my green bag on my shoulder. Bye, Anna. Good job, Tom says. He is next in line. See you again? Yes, Tom, bye, I say. I wave to him. I like my friend. I walk out of the supermarket. The sun is warm. The sky is blue. I walk home slowly. My arms are tired, but I feel great. I think about Tom. He is nice and funny. I think about my prize. Candy and toys are fun. I am lucky today. I want to share the candy with my family. I get home and open the door. Mum, I'm back, I shout. My mother runs to the door. Momo and Max come too. Max barks and wags his tail. Momo meows and looks at me. Anna, you are amazing, my mother says. She looks at the bags. Did you get everything? Yes, Mum, I checked the list, I say. I show her the bags. She looks at the grape juice, crackers, chicken, and more. She smiles big. Great job, Anna. I am so proud, she says. She sees her prize. What is that? I won a prize, I say. A man gave me candy and toys. I am lucky. Wow, Anna, that's wonderful, my mother says. She hugs me tight. Momo rubs my leg. Max jumps a little. Did anything else happen? Yes, I saw Tom again, I say. We talked about our pets. The supermarket was busy, but I did it. You are my best helper, my mother says. I love you, Anna. Can I go again next time? I ask. I love shopping. I want to see Tom again. Yes, of course, my mother says. She pats my head. I smile big. Today, I went to the supermarket. I bought everything on the list. I saw Tom, my friend. I won a prize with candy and toys. The supermarket was busy, but I was brave. I feel happy and strong. I love shopping. I can't wait for next time. Maybe Tom will be there. Maybe I will share my candy with him. I am a big girl and a good helper.